84 interesting facts about kangaroos. 1. Kangaroos are marsupials, which means they give birth to relatively undeveloped live young and carry them in a pouch. 2. They are native to Australia and are often considered the country's national symbol. 3. There are 4 main species of kangaroos: red kangaroos, eastern grey kangaroos, western grey kangaroos, and antilopine kangaroos. 4. Red kangaroos are the largest marsupials and the largest kangaroo species, with males sometimes reaching up to 8 feet, 2.5 meters, in length and weighing over 200 pounds, 90 kilograms. 5. Kangaroos are herbivores, primarily grazing on grass and plants. 6. They have a unique stomach with 4 compartments to help digest fibrous vegetation. 7. Kangaroos have powerful hind legs that are adapted for hopping. 8. They can cover large distances with each hop. 9. They are known to reach speeds of up to 35 miles per hour, 56 kilometers per hour. 10. The muscles of a kangaroo's hind legs are so powerful that they can't walk backward easily. 11. Kangaroos are excellent swimmers, and they often use water as a means of escape from predators. 12. They have a strong tail that they use for balance and as a support when sitting. 13. A kangaroo's tail can be as long as its body. 14. Kangaroos communicate with each other through various vocalizations and body language, such as thumping their hind legs to signal danger. 15. Male kangaroos are called boomers, while females are referred to as flyers. And young kangaroos are called joeys. Joeys are born tiny and underdeveloped, measuring just about 1 inch, 2.5 centimeters, and weighing less than a gram. 16. After birth, joeys crawl into their mother's pouch, where they continue to develop and nurse. 17. The mother's pouch provides a warm and safe environment for the growing joey. 18. Kangaroos can have up to 3 joeys at different stages of development: 1 in the pouch, 1 outside but still nursing, and 1 who has left the pouch but is not yet fully independent. 19. Female kangaroos can delay the development of a new embryo if conditions are not favorable for raising a joey. 20. They can also synchronize their reproductive cycles so that multiple females in a group have joeys at the same time, which can increase their chances of survival. 21. Kangaroos have a gestation period of about 31 to 36 days. 22. They have a life expectancy of 6 to 8 years in the wild and up to 20 years in captivity. Kangaroos are social animals and often form groups known as mobs or troops. 23. A group of kangaroos is known as a mob or a troop. 24. The size of a kangaroo group can vary from a few individuals to several dozen. 25. Kangaroos exhibit a dominance hierarchy within the groups, with the largest and most dominant individuals being the leaders. 26. Kangaroos are herbivores, and their diet mainly consists of grasses, leaves, and shrubs. 27. They have front teeth that are sharp and used for cropping grass, while their back teeth are flatter and used for grinding. Kangaroos are crepuscular, which means they are most active during dawn and dusk. 28. They are known to rest during the hottest parts of the day to conserve energy. Kangaroos have excellent vision, and their large ears can rotate independently to pick up sounds from various directions. 29. Their ears also help them detect distant predators. 30. The kangaroo's sense of smell is not as developed as its vision and hearing. Kangaroos can jump as far as 25 feet, 7.6 meters, in a single leap. 31. They use their powerful tails to balance themselves while hopping. Kangaroos have been known to jump fences as high as 10 feet, 3 meters. 32. The collective noun for kangaroos is a mob, troop, or court. 33. Kangaroos have long and muscular hind legs, while their front legs are much shorter and weaker. Male kangaroos often box each other when competing for mates. 34. They stand on their hind legs and use their front legs to strike their opponent. 35. Kangaroos are known to be good swimmers and can often be seen wading through water. 36. They use their powerful hind legs to propel themselves through the water. Kangaroos have a specialized system for conserving water in their arid environments. 37. They lick their forearms to cool down by evaporation because they have minimal sweat glands. 38. Kangaroos have a unique reproductive strategy known as embryonic diapause. This allows them to delay the development of a new embryo until conditions are suitable for raising a joey. 39. The red kangaroo is the largest marsupial in the world. 40. They can cover vast distances in search of food and water, which makes them an iconic symbol of the Australian outback. Kangaroos have a third eye, called the pineal eye or parietal eye, located on top of their heads. 41. It is not a fully functional eye but can detect changes in light and dark. 42. They are herbivores and primarily feed on grasses, which is why they are often found in open grasslands. Kangaroos are known for their strong jumping abilities, which help them evade predators. 43. Kangaroo populations can fluctuate greatly in response to changing environmental conditions and the availability of food and water. 44. They are important in shaping the landscape through their grazing habits, which can influence the types of plants that grow in their habitats. 45. Kangaroos have an incredible sense of smell, allowing them to detect danger from a distance. In times of drought, kangaroos can go into a state of torpor, a form of temporary hibernation, to conserve energy. 46. Kangaroos have a powerful immune system and are known to be resistant to many diseases. They can jump continuously for hours without getting tired. 47. Kangaroos can jump up to 3 times their own body length in one leap. 48. The eastern grey kangaroo is the second largest marsupial, with males reaching up to 9 feet, 2.8 meters, in length. Kangaroos have an incredible ability to sense changes in weather, such as impending storms or rain. 49. The kangaroo is depicted on the Australian $1 coin. Kangaroos are known to have a low reproductive rate compared to some other marsupials. 50. Female kangaroos can determine the sex of their offspring. In times of drought, they tend to produce more daughters. 51. Kangaroos are known for the grazing lawns, which are patches of short grass that result from the constant feeding. 52. Kangaroos can leap over obstacles as tall as themselves with ease. The kangaroo's pouch is lined with fur and has teats that produce milk for the developing joey. 53. When threatened, kangaroos will often thump their feet loudly to warn others in the group. 54. Kangaroos have excellent night vision, allowing them to forage in low light conditions. They have powerful jaws and sharp teeth for chewing through tough vegetation. 55. Kangaroos have a unique way of mating, often referred to as receptive delayed implantation. 56. A female can have a fertilized egg but delay its implantation in the uterus until the environmental conditions are suitable for a joey to survive. 57. The length of time a female can delay the implantation of a fertilized egg can be several months. 58. The eastern grey kangaroo is known for its distinctive coloring, with a grey body and a lighter colored face. 59. Kangaroos are territorial animals and will defend their territories against other kangaroos. 60. Male kangaroos often engage in dominance displays, such as leaning back on their tails and boxing with their front legs. 61. Kangaroo mothers are very protective of their joeys, and they can be quite aggressive when defending them from potential threats. 62. Kangaroos have been known to display social grooming behaviors, such as scratching and licking each other. 63. Kangaroos are selective feeders, choosing the most nutritious parts of plants and avoiding tougher, less digestible parts. 64. The population of kangaroos in Australia is estimated to be over 50 million. 65. Kangaroo meat is a source of protein and is sometimes consumed in Australia. 66. The tail of a kangaroo is muscular and can be used as a powerful weapon to strike or trip up an opponent. 67. Kangaroos have a keen sense of direction and can navigate their way back to their home range even after being relocated. 68. They can jump high fences by using their tail for balance. 69. The male kangaroo's reproductive organs are located in front of the scrotum rather than behind, which is an unusual anatomical feature. 70. A kangaroo can sustain speeds of 20 to 25 miles per hour for extended periods. 71. Kangaroos are known for the unique and efficient method of locomotion, using hopping to move quickly across the landscape. 72. Kangaroos have a specialized pair of tendons in their hind legs called the Achilles tendons. These tendons store energy during each hop and release it when they push off the ground, making their hopping incredibly efficient. 73. Some Aboriginal cultures in Australia consider kangaroos as an important part of the cultural and spiritual heritage. 74. Kangaroo populations can fluctuate significantly in response to changes in food availability, such as droughts or wildfires. 75. The eastern grey kangaroo is the only kangaroo species that can be found in Tasmania. In some parts of Australia, kangaroo culling is used as a method to control their populations due to overgrazing. 76. Kangaroo droppings, known as roo pellets, are used by scientists to analyze the diet of kangaroos. Kangaroos have a unique reproductive anatomy. 77. Female kangaroos have 3 vaginas, while male kangaroos have a bifurcated penis. 78. Eastern grey kangaroos have a more herbivorous diet, while red kangaroos are known to consume a wider range of vegetation. 79. The population of kangaroos can adapt to changing environments and has been found to increase in response to agricultural practices. 80. Kangaroos have a keen sense of smell, which is important for detecting predators from a distance. Some kangaroo species are adapted to living in arid regions and can go for long periods without water. 81. Kangaroo fur is often used for making clothing, including coats and hats. 82. There are various myths and stories in Australian Aboriginal culture related to kangaroos, often involving their creation or transformation into humans. 83. Kangaroo court is a term used to describe a mock or illegitimate court, but it has no actual connection to kangaroos. 84. Kangaroos can emit loud, cough-like grunting sounds that serve as a warning to other kangaroos.